National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rice County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Kilkenny to Morristown to near Waseca, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Severe thunderstorms.
So, it is a tornado warning in Mankato. Pretty much flash flood conditions, and I'm about to go slip and sliding.
All right.
What's up? You're taking cover? Alright,
Where's
maybe we
she
should
taking cover at?
and down in the laundry room.
Oh.
Cause that's like underground a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah. Good thing I just took a $300,000 life insurance policy out.
Justin's like, at least I just took out a $300,000 life insurance policy.
Parents are gonna be loaded.
So we just got back upstairs. We were hiding out at Cody's downstairs for maybe 15 minutes before it pretty much lit up. It was short-lived, I suppose. I mean, it was coming down super hard and really crazy for about an hour maybe, but it's been raining and been thunderstorming all day. Just really bad there for a while. Right now it's only 5 o'clock. It feels like it should be 9 o'clock or something because of how dark it's been all day, but I'm probably gonna play a couple games with Justin, and then I think we'll probably watch Deadpool later, so it should be a good night. It's like a river in the street, dude. It's crazy.